welcome to my channel. Today I got this box. When I was at school, I was waiting so quiet for my car, so Miss Akins gave me this box. I got a Fidget Cube from Miss Akins, and these are all the sides. This we could press, and this we can move around in circles whenever we want. And this is kind of like a lever we could do at fast. And we could spin these around. And spin this around and press this, but it doesn't make a click. And we could press these buttons and it makes a click. And I don't see it anymore. Thank you for watching. See you next time.